welcome to another video. So today we are going to see if we can get the electrician to wire up the tachometer and also to make sure it's working with the Autometer adapter. So let's try something and see.
A few moments later.
The tach not working. Yeah, and I'm damn vexed. Sorry to say it so. It lighten up. Yes, the LED on the screen lighten up. This shift light working. What happening is when you rev, it will good, and then after it starts sticking. One step forward, couple step backwards. But anyway, I'm the type of guy that eliminate problems very fast. So the adapter, I will put it up for sale. And I don't know if there's anyone in Trinidad who repair these tach. I'm not even going right now. I'm not even going to try to repair this. Just don't make sense. So I'll just pop the tach adapter for sale, and whatever I get, I'll take it from there. So we could see if we'll go next direction. I mean, it was a try. So if anybody know that these Autometer tachs can be repaired, please let me know. Any comments, you could WhatsApp me and let me know any positive information. That would be real nice. So thanks very much for watching. Gonna drink my tea now. Yeah, I prefer to deal with this than this on the side here.